I want to tell you that research suggests that an average person spends 2 hours 51 minutes on its mobile phones. If you just know how to use your phone in a better way, we can make a powerful change in order to reclaim time as well as attention. I don't want to tell you the number of reasons why we are addicted to the mobile phones, the dopamine surge, and why are we opening the phones 100 times a day. Yes, we are opening our phones to check Instagram, Facebook 100 times a day. If you don't believe this, I want you to count the number of times that you open your phone for various purposes. And I also want you to record the time that you spend on your mobile phones and let me know in the comment sections below. So this mobile phone, instead of saving our times, it is eating our time. The time that we save to order food, to book cabs, to make payments, we are using that time to look for Facebook feeds, Instagram reels, and filling our brain with garbage. Hey guys, I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta, and on this YouTube channel I make productivity videos as well as revision videos for students preparing for various exams. So today in this video I am going to tell you few tips that will help you overcome your phone addiction and save your time, and these techniques will give you immediate results. So coming to the tip number 1. The tip number 1 is that you will have to delete all your social media apps. That is your Facebook app, Instagram app, Twitter account. We are not achieving anything by keeping these apps on our phones. Instead, these apps are forcing us to use our phones in every half an hour, to use our phones while we are talking to someone, to use our phones while we are just idle and we are feeling bored. So what you will do, tomorrow you will delete all these apps, because today you are recording how much time you are spending on these apps, and you will see by just following this simple step, it will become a hassle to open your Facebook account, to open your Instagram account, and you will see that the number of times you open your Facebook and Instagram, it will decrease. What I do is that, I have been recently active on my Instagram, so I make a post, then I post it on my Instagram account, and after that what I do is delete my Instagram app, and this saves me from checking the number of likes that I get after every half an hour, the number of comments that I get. If you don't believe me, I will advise you that you have a look at the toppers around you, the toppers in your class. You will see that most of the toppers, they don't even have an Instagram account. And just have a look at the last Facebook post they did. It must be 2 or 3 years back. So guys, today we will do this one tip, that is delete all social media apps. Coming to the second tip. So guys, what will happen that after you have deleted all your apps, now you will start using these social media accounts from your websites on your web browser like Google Chrome. So what we will do, we will log out from all the social media websites and we will not save our passwords. So these social media websites will ask us कि क्या मैं तुम्हें याद रखूं, तो तुम उनसे मना कर देना कि तुम्हें हमें याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें अपना पासवर्ड और अपना आईडी याद है. So what will happen that you will get an obstacle that every time you try to log in, you will have to fill in your ID, you will have to fill in your password, and this simple obstacle will decrease the number of times you try to log in, the number of times you open your social media accounts. And the best thing is that if you can delete your web browser also, that would be a great thing. But the problem is that we are not able to uninstall the Google Chrome, and if you know, please let me know in the comment section. The third tip is that you will turn off notification from all the apps. This you will have to do one by one, and I would advise you that you just have a look at your phone and see how many apps have their notifications turned on, and it will be definitely more than 100. And the next time you download a new app, you will turn off its notifications. So these notifications, these are not your friends, but these are non-stop attention thieves. So what will happen with me? I have my money controlled app notifications turned on, and it is constantly sending me notifications about few news, about the Nifty index, about the Sensex. And once I open it, I waste half an hour just looking at the stocks, how has the Nifty performed, which are the top gainers for today. So this is the problem. Do this thing today. Turn off the notifications. These app makers, they do this thing on purpose because they want you to be engaged with that particular app all the time. If there were no notifications, you wouldn't even know that a particular app exists. It's only because they are constantly sending you notifications that you know that this app is existing and you have to work on it. The fourth tip is that you will leave aside your phones. What you will do whenever you will go to the library, you will keep your phones in your room, or if you are studying at home, you will give your phone to a family member and ask them not to give that mobile phone to you unless you have completed such and such hours of study. I want to tell you that no human being is perfect, that she can keep a distraction in front of her or him and not get distracted. What I do whenever I go to library, I keep my phone in my car or I keep my phone in my room, so that in the library I'm just focused on studying. I'm not looking up my phone every 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And guys, if you are using a particular app on the phone for studying or iPad, I would advise you that you use that particular phone or that particular iPad only for that purpose. ठीक है ना? उस फ़ोन और उस iPad को हमें सिर्फ पढ़ाई के लिए यूज़ करना है. अगर हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, then only we can stay away from this phone distraction. If you are just studying in the library with your phones, okay, you can definitely not study with 100% focus. So guys, these were the 4 tips that will help you overcome your phone distraction, and let me know in the comment sections which one of the tip was most useful to you and which one of the tip you have started using. So thank you guys. Till then, bye bye, and meet you in the next video.